Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another KCS Quick Tips video. And today we're going to be looking at some simple shortcuts that will save you a lot of time. Okay, the first shortcut that I'll show you is copy and paste. Now, copy and paste is pretty simple, and it's one of the shortcuts that you should know. It'll save you a lot of time, and it'll save you a few clicks also. Basically, in order to copy, you want to highlight text, then you want to hold down Control, and then press C. Let go of both of those keys, and now you've copied the text. You can go to your notepad, and then once you're there, or once you want to insert whatever you've copied, do Control B, and there you go. Now you see, if you hold it down, if you hold down Control B at the same time, it'll just keep on pasting and pasting and pasting. The next shortcut is going to be Control A. Control A, like we did with the copy and paste, and it'll select all. So if you have a an essay, or well, if you can click on like the top bar right here, you can do Control A, and then you can copy, and then you can paste, and that's how you, well, that's an easy way to copy URL. Control Shift Escape will bring up your task manager, and this will show you applications and anything else that is running in the background, and it'll show you if your computer is a little slow. Maybe you want to check out what application is using your resources. This is the way to do it, and you can see right here that if you click on them, so for example, I want to see what's using my CPU, you can click on the CPU and it'll bring up the highest CPU usage, and Windows is the highest one for now. In order to X out of a program or an application, you can hold Alt and press F4 on the top row. And if you have multiple applications up, you can hold Alt and then press Tab, and you'll be greeted with kind of this right here. It'll show you all the applications that you have up, and then you can press Tab again to swap to the next one to the right. Windows key will show right here, the Windows panel, where you can find your applications down here. You can also search for your applications in here. So that's pretty much the basic shortcuts for Windows. There's a lot more, and if you would like to learn about the other shortcuts, I recommend you just searching Windows shortcuts. And there's a bunch of websites that'll help you out in Google, but the ones that I showed you are the main ones that you'll be using, and they're really helpful. So we can just Alt F4 out of Google, Alt F4 out of this, Alt F4 out of everything, and well, we just use their shortcut to clear our screen. These next shortcuts will be for Google Chrome, and they're only going to be used for Google Chrome, but some are kind of similar to Windows. Now the first one that I'll show you is Control T. Control T, basically, you can see up here, it creates a new tab. Oops. It creates a new tab. And in order to close out of a tab, you can do Control W, and it'll close out all your tabs. If you wanted to print out a recipe, you can also use a shortcut by holding Control and then P. And when you're in Google Chrome, it'll bring you to this little page, and we'll wait for it to load. And there we go. Then what we can do is select our printer here. We don't have any printers right now connected, but if you do have one already connected, then it'll show up in your recent destinations. So thank you very much for watching this quick tip video. It's been pretty quick, unlike the other ones. Be sure to leave a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.